Alright, so here we're going to create a new project in Visual Studio 2019. I've already got MDK installed, and I'm going to say create new project. And I've already created a project before for the in-game scripts and also a mix-in. I'll show that later. At the initial time, you can just type in-game script, and here it is. You can select that from the list, say next. We want to demo this. We want to name this demo script. You can call it something appropriate. It will also use this name for the project when it creates the script in the in-game files. That's where it's going to save the project location, so that's a good place. Say create. Now the MDK options come up. It's already determined where the game is and where to output the scripts. And you can have some options here for making the scripts smaller if you want. Right now we don't need that, but for large scripts you'll need that. And I'm going to say create new project. Now it's created the empty project for us. MDK has. In it has the thumbnail. We can change that if we want. It's got the instructions that come out as the default. We're going to change that to say demo script. And we're going to go look at the back of the program. And here's it's created the sample code, the skeleton. So there's information here, and you should read and understand this. And there's a lot of information at the MDK site where you can read about a lot of things. There's also the Discord, where you can gain Discord for programming in-game, where you can ask a lot of questions and get a lot of help pretty much in real time depending on who's awake and on what time zone. So the main parts of a program for in-game are the program constructor. That's this part right here. The save, which is called when the program needs to save the state, and that's usually when you're recompiling or if the world is being saved, the game's being saved, it'll get called then. And then the main entry point is main. Like old time programs, it's the entry point. Whenever it's run, either through a trigger or you clicking run on the PB itself. And so here's the skeleton script. So now we can add our code to here. And that's how you create a project. Now to compile it, we're going to go to Tools, MDK, and Deploy All Scripts. And that's going to compile and arrange all the code. And it generated it into the place for you can find it in-game. We can also copy the script. And now it's available to paste directly into a programming block. But I don't have anything running yet, so we can't do that. So that's how you create the beginnings of a program.